In this video, we will carry out technical analysis on XRP USD. I will show you exactly where price can go to find entries as well as exits, so stay tuned. ISO 2002 has just gone live today. Now everyone was expecting price to rocket for XRP USD. However, this was not the case. Now I will show you exactly where we can enter from so we don't miss this train. Now for us to look for entries, let's go on the order book and see where we can find demand. Now in the order book, what we can see here, these are all the buyers and these are all the sellers. Now I am using Kraken as my exchange data. At 36 cents over here, we can see there's a decent amount of demand forming. So we may see buying opportunities forming from this place, but we still have to carry out some analysis to confirm this. Now 36 cents, this is where we can see buying opportunities forming from. So let's go on the chart. 36 cents, what I will do, I will highlight this region as interest. So what we can see, 36 cents is right over here. Now you may ask, what are these yellow boxes? Now these yellow boxes are essentially where demand has been found or orders have been placed prior essentially. Now what we can see here, the current area where orders have been forming is at the tops of 40 cents and at the bottom over here as 35 cents. Now what we see, 40 cents was too expensive for XRP USD and 35 cents was too cheap, so people start buying. This is the area that we have got for interest, 36 cents. Now fine, we have got this. I will show you why we are going to use this later on. So let's go back on the order book and see where we can really see sellers. Now what we can see here, 38 cents and 40 cents, we can see there's a lot of sellers here. So we may see some sort of selling pressure occurring from that region or that price point. Now when we go back on the chart over here, I will highlight this area. So straight away, as discussed, 40 cents lines up as the top of the range right over here. And that lines up, yeah, it makes a lot of sense that there's going to be selling pressure there as well. But there could be selling pressure along the way. And where we discussed selling pressure can take place is roughly around about 38 cents, which is over here. So what we can see from this scenario, selling pressure, and then buying pressure. Now if price does break below the 36 cent region, then I am expecting price to go lower and I will be introducing a new video to accommodate for that. Now we have a rough understanding. I'm going to see roughly what price can do. We may see price doing something like this, going down, going up like this and breaking to the upside. However, I have not told you the long-term target, so stay tuned for that. Let's draw a rough map. So if we are buying, we want to roughly allow price to come to this region here of 36 cents. Then we can see some sort of selling pressure around about 38 cents. Then we may see price go like this, then break to the upsides straight to the 40 cents region. Now from here we may see price come down and then break up to the upside. Now the question is, where can price break up to? Fine, if we buy from the 36 cents, that's a decent bit of gain. We may gain up to here from partial number 5.8%, or if you're targeting the second target, 13.7%. If you're a leverage trader, this is beautiful for you. And essentially what we are doing, we are day trading / midterm trading crypto. The question is, where can price go? Where can price go? If you have tuned in to my earlier videos, we have already determined where price can go. What I will do, I will go back on the order book and I will look at something. What I can see, 46 cents and 50 cents, there's a lot of orders there. There's around about a million orders at 46 cents and 1.3 million at 50 cents. So these could be potential areas where sell-offs can occur. Now you see, this is the problem that a lot of people make. They see price and they just want to hold up to $1, $2. However, what we want to do as traders, we just want to allow price to go up to our regions, exit, and then enter again for a cheaper price point. And as by doing so, we can time 10, time 50, even times 100 our investment in a shorter period of time. Now, the area that I've got in mind that we were discussing for selling pressure is at 46 cents. Now, 46 cents is roughly in this region. So we may see price come up to the 46 cents. We may see a sell-off occurring from there. I will show you how we can handle this properly. Now, if 46 cents breaks, I believe price can strongly go to around about 50 to 51 cents. This is essentially where I'll be looking to exit my midterm positions, and that will give me a very good gain. I've actually entered roughly around about the 33 cents region right over here. So over here, and that will give me a rough let's say, yeah, gain around about 53%, which is not bad, especially if you've got around about 10, 20 or even £30,000 worth of investment for midterm trading. Now fine, if this is the case and these are our targets, how can we handle this scenario? I won't really talk about this because we've got rough targets there. The trouble lies is when price breaks out. Price breaks out of this area here to the upside, a lot of people will be crying bulls, 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 and as a result, a lot of fundamentals for bullish scenarios can come out. So as a result, a lot of people will be buying, and we know this buying pressure can be as a form of exiting liquidity for the larger institutes. If we see a candle of imbalance, a massive candle break into the upside, especially on the 8-hour or even the 4-hour, we must allow this candlestick to close. Yes, you can take partials here if you want, that's fine. But if you are targeting this price point, which most of you are, we have to allow this candlestick to close. Now, if price does not close below 46 cents, so if it does not close below 46 cents, then it's safe to say that we can go see the 50 to 51 cent region. However, if price closes with a wick below 46 cents, then there's a very good chance that we can see prices remaining below 46 cents, then see price can cool down, and this is again where I will make another video to update you guys on the scenario. So essentially this is how you want to trade these areas. Now to conclude this video, very simple, let's allow price to come into this region. We may see some sort of buying pressure from there. The price can struggle around about 37 region or 38 region. Price breaks, we can see it going to around about 40-41 region, and if that breaks we can see it going to the 45 region, 46 region. If that breaks we can see around about 51 region. If it goes above this, I'll keep you guys updated. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.